forget to subscribe! A day with wall clock.
Pororo and his friends are on their way to go visit Tongtong's house today.
We're here!
Huh? You guys made it!
Hello!
Hello!
You were supposed to come earlier.
Huh?
You're telling me! Everyone here is such a slowpoke!
Sorry, Crong and I made everyone late.
That's okay.
How rude.
Why don't we go play together?
Okay!
Hold on. It's 9:20 a.m. now. It's time to water the flowers.
Oh yeah, it slipped my mind. I'll be back in a jiffy. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Wow, the flower garden is pretty! It is!
This is all thanks to wall clock here.
Really?
Yeah, wall clock always tells me when it's time to water the flowers.
Oh, it's no big deal, really.
If we had wall clock, then everyone would always be on time. Ah! Hey, wall clock, can you help us so my friends and I can be more punctual?
Huh? Help you how?
By staying with us in our village for a while.
Yeah,
that's a great idea!
Go ahead. It'll be fun staying with them for a bit.
Really? Okay, then promise me that you'll keep to the schedule that I make.
Sure, we promise!
Come back safely. Wow! Now that wall clock is in here, I can finally sleep in tomorrow.
Everyone, including Wall Clock, arrived back at the village.
Yay, we're back home.
Since wall clock's here and all, how about we go play in the playground?
Okay!
Hold on.
Huh?
It's 6 p.m. now. It's time to eat dinner. Let's all go home.
Can't we play?
Wall clock is right, you guys.
Yeah, it's too late to play outside right now.
It's definitely different with wall clock around.
Oh, hey guys, where is Wall Clock going to sleep today?
How about sleeping at Pororo's house tonight? Because Pororo and Crong are never on time.
Really?
Stay at our place and help Crong and me be punctual.
Okay, let's go then.
Oh, hey, wait for us! Oh, bye!
guys. See you tomorrow.
Night has fallen. Are Pororo and Crong getting along with Wall Clock?
Crong? It's 9 p.m. now. It's time to go to bed. Before bed, you should tidy up and put away your toys.
That's right, Crong. I'm afraid it's time to get ready for bed.
Next up, it's time to brush your teeth.
Crong, crong.
Things are easier with wall clock around.
Pororo. Before sleeping, you should tidy up the room too.
All right.
It's morning in Porong Porong Village.
It's 7:30 a.m. now. I can't believe you guys are still sleeping. It's time to wake up now. Hurry up and get up. Huh? Get up, you lazy bones.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
You came on time. Good job, guys.
So refreshing.
See? Isn't it wonderful getting up nice and early?
Everyone is at Loopy's house.
It's yummy. Pororo. Pororo, you look really sleepy.
You do? Why don't you go home and take a nap?
Yeah, waking up early has made me really tired. I think I should go home.
You can't! You can't!
Oh, we can't go home?
Of course you can't. It's time for you to eat lunch right now.
He does have a point, but...
Yeah, but...
Hurry up. Lunchtime is almost over.
Okay.
After lunch, the friends are playing on the playground.
I can't find them anywhere.
Andy,
Huh?
playtime is over now.
But we only just started.
Well, you shouldn't have taken so much time at lunch.
Oh.
Everyone, let's go.
But we didn't get to play that much. Can't we play more?
You guys, don't forget the promise you made.
That's right. We all promised Wall Clock that we would stick to his schedule.
Hurry!
Everyone wanted to play more, but they ended up having to go home.
Loopy, try and copy me. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, like this?
You two! Enough! It's time for you to eat now.
He's too much.
Hey, looking for this? Time for playing with your toys is over now, Crong. Pororo! Time for riding your snowboard is over now.
This is no fun.
I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee.
It's time to brush your teeth.
Mr. Rainy.
Poby, hurry and get up. It's time for you to exercise.
I just have a little more to draw.
No way!
Now all I have to do is put this on. There.
Andy, it's time to go to bed. Lights out.
Oh, no, I'm almost finished. Just 1 minute. Oh.
The friends are having a hard time living by Wall Clock's schedule. The next day, everyone met early to talk about the situation.
I shouldn't have asked Wall Clock to come here.
I bet if we want to play today, he'll tell us time's up and send us home.
Crong, Crong. I can't do anything because he's always rushing me. I know.
There must be something we can do.
I know what we can do. What is it? So, what I was thinking was when Wall Clock. Hello.
Hello. I can't believe everyone is here on time.
This is all thanks to you.
Wall Clock, how about playing with us today?
But I have to keep track of the time for you.
If we play with you, then we'll stick to the schedule better. Yeah.
Okay, but just for today. This thing is really fun! This is even more fun! I'm going on again!
This is his millionth time.
Whoa!
Wall Clock is having a great time playing.
Wall Clock, I'll push you.
Yahoo!
Here I go.
Hold on. Playtime is over now.
You're right.
I guess it's time to go home.
Hey guys, can't I just take a quick ride on this?
I will let you, but we need to stick to the schedule.
That's right. We have a lot of things to do at home.
Okay, we should go home.
It's okay. You can go on the swings first.
Go on. Swing away, Wall Clock.
Really? Hey guys, because of my strict schedule, you weren't able to have fun playing.
It's okay. We can have fun playing today.
Wall Clock had a wonderful time playing with everyone. Has Tongtong been all right without Wall Clock around?
Maybe I slept too much. Oh yeah, I forgot to water the flower garden. Oh no, my flowers have withered. If only Wall Clock were here to remind me. I should go and see how he's doing. Goody goody, tong tong tong, transform, yep. Where is everybody? Ah, there they are. Ah. Hey guys, hello.
Tongtong, how have you been?
Wall Clock. It's bad. I've been sleeping in every day and everything's a mess.
I guess you can't live without me, huh?
That's right. Now let's go home, Wall Clock.
Okay. Well, guys, I have to go now.
Thank you for everything, Wall Clock.
I want to thank you too. I learned how to have fun now thanks to you guys.
You had fun together without me.
Next time, let's all get together and have fun playing.
Okay.
Goodbye. We'll visit again soon. Yep.
Goodbye! What time is it now? Whoa, it's really late. I should stop and go to bed early.
I should get ready to go to bed too.
I come from Alabama. Oh, will you look at the time? We better get ready for bed.
Huh? Okay. The friends have gotten into the good habit of sleeping early and rising early. It's all thanks to Wall Clock.